Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. As always, drop those tickers and questions in the YouTube chat since it is Monday morning. Welcome back, everyone. ICU is the day one chat pump du jour. Homeboy must have been up early. Crap volume. Volume really stinks. I mean, it's 8:30 a.m., 300,000 shares. Lame. And I might have to sneeze. Sneeze defeated. Anyway, it is, as always, crappy, low float. It's a dip and rip. Probably maybe use that 780 level. Again, volume stinks. I want to be clear. It's 8:31 a.m. I mean, very, very lame. But volume's kind of light across the board, really. COSM, interesting break over 19 cents. As always, I would recommend, using... I talk about this almost every day. One of the best ways to attack, in my opinion, these true penny stocks is to use the Oracle levels. Right now, major resistant at 19. Remember, you'll get the Oracle levels a few minutes after the market open. Again, I think that is the best way to trade the two true penny stocks. You see major resistance at 19. Remember, I do have this in my notes. Everyone gets this wrong every single year. Every year. Markets do not close early on Wednesday. I've been trading for 15 years. Every year people get that wrong. Markets do not close early on Wednesday. They are closed on Thursday and close early on Friday. Okay? So Wednesday's normal, Thursday closed, 1 p.m. Eastern close on Friday. All right? And you can always Google it. It amazes me how many people get that wrong when all you have to do is Google it. Just Google market hours, okay? MMAT. Very interesting chart over two. A two break would basically be break of, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 or 8 times in the last year, MMAT has tried and failed to break 2. I think it gets very interesting over that. All right, let's get to some questions. TENX. Wakes up over 16. I like the fact that it kind of squeezed for no reason on Friday. Went from 10 to 15, not bad. So I think this gets squeezy over, 16. I mean, 16 would be a break of what is this? The 16th would have been Wednesday. So Wednesday it tried to do a dip and rip and failed at 16. Friday, 16 was the resistance, pre-market resistance. Yeah, I like TNX over 16. True penny stocks have been hot. CRTD. OTC. You know the rules. Unless it's your new day. Okay, or your first day. If it's your first day, very nice looking gapper chart from Friday. Remember, if you took the gap, sell the gap. Don't get greedy. Take your profits, move on. That's how you trade an OTC swizzle, aka an OTC gapper. Otherwise, in the morning, if you have no position, so that is if you have a position. If you have no position, look for a morning panic dip buy. Otherwise, if it does not morning panic, then you look for a very similar chart to Friday, which is the OTC swizzle, which is basically a VWAP hold. So, and then you gap it. Pretty much the same approach. Every OTC is the same. Take a coffee shot, longtime members. Okay, that was a coffee shot moment. Zila, dead. NVIV, dead. EUDI, doesn't come up. Is there some? EUDA, there it is. I see it. EUDA. 8 million float, million shares traded. Geez, went all the way to 14. What's up with this? Let me check breaking news. Anybody know why? Anybody know why this? I don't see anything on breaking news. I don't see anything in my news. So it went from 5 to 14 and gave back the entire move. So give me a why. If there's a why, I would like to see it. But it looks like, the best explanation I can give is somebody was short this and got smoked because it gave back the entire move, basically. So, give me a why. Somebody give me a why and I'll change my opinion. Until then, I just think somebody did something stupid or somebody did something really stupid in pre-market. I wish I could give you a better answer than that, but I don't see any news. Breaking news doesn't have anything. So I feel like I am at an information disadvantage. So at that point, I'm just going to assume some idiot was short this thing and got squeezed out. Sorry, but that's the best I can give you. I apologize. Now, if you got a better explanation, let me know. ARDX. Woo! Break a previous day's highs, baby, which would also be pre-market highs, which is also a new 52-week high, which is also probably an Oracle major resistance level. Oh! 217. Yes. And this is probably number one. Volumes. It's another kind of quiet day. Like 2 weeks ago, I wouldn't be happy with this volume. Considering what's out there, 1 million, not bad. But yes, love this. I would say just 220. Go to a whole dollar, half dollar. And as of right now, probably number one. As of right now, obviously, a lot can change before the market open. So, break of previous day's highs. FRGT. Got some news. Good news. Okay. Again, light volume, let it set up. Hey, it's not far from breaking last week's highs. I like that level. I like that break right there. It's only 6 cents away. So, pretty good news. I like it. And remember, we don't have a hot sector right now. We don't, so we currently don't have a hot sector, but kind of the hottest stuff out there has been the true penny stocks. So, decent looking news like this over last week's highs. ATXI, I think that's dead, isn't it? Yeah, ATXI is dead, no volume. Disney! Oh! Who's got my real stocks peeps? I got some real stock peeps in here. I tell you, and I'm going to finish on this, okay? So, yes, us degenerates in penny stock day trading land tend to focus on low price stocks. Why is that? We know, especially in what we call hard to borrow land, okay? In hard to borrow land, we know that people will do anything they can to short low float stocks. Now, that's why 99% of them blow up. It can be done, but most of them blow up. That's why our sweet spot is always that kind of like that $2 to $8 range for those big morning movers. Now, it doesn't happen every day, but we love stuff like Disney. Okay, this thing's going to have range. It's going to have volatility. It's It's going to move all day. It's going to have plenty of liquidity. You can get in and out easily. It's going to react to key levels all day long. So from now it's $100 a share. As always, makes it a little difficult to trade. But if you got a small account, love this. Love it all day. They got the headline, but it's in play. We often look at these quote unquote real stocks when they got significant price action, significant movement, and good value. Okay. I mean, the average 60-day average for Disney's 11 million shares, it's traded 4 million shares in pre. So as always, what I would recommend doing, use the power of Oracle, man. You can see, notice how it tried to break that 101.50 area and failed. Great area. Risk VWAP. And then just trade the Oracle levels all day, like literally all day. So again, $100, I get it. So or you can trade options. Hey, we probably got some options degenerates in here. So grinders, just a break of the previous day's highs. Same way we always trade IPOs. So the easiest way to break down grinder, and I've got guys on the YouTube, take advantage of the YouTube. I've probably got 6 videos through the years talking about the IPO strategy. It's basically a day 3 surge. I mean, really, what we look to do is, at the end of the day, it's 99% a day 3 surge, okay? So what you're going to look for is this thing just to kind of do nothing today and then break the IPO level high, the syndicate high, as they call it. Now, why do we care about that? Because right now, as of right now, basically everybody that bought Grindr on Friday is underwater. Now, obviously, this guy that bought at 32, he's not underwater. But hear me out, okay? Well, and even this morning, it was at lows. So at 6 a.m., every single person that bought on Friday was underwater. So now, what do we got? Regret. Oh, I did it again. Oh, I've heard about this Tim Bohen guy in StocksToTrade and pre-market prep, but I don't watch it because I'm lazy and I'm stupid and I'm lazy. Too lazy. Double lazy. So, people just pile into these because somebody said, hey, Grindr's IPO and it's going to 100. They make terrible, uninformed decisions with zero risk management, with zero research, with zero methodology, with zero process. And they get bagged, okay? And then now, today, they're filled with regret. What flips the script? New highs, okay? This thing breaks 50. All the regret's gone. The party's back, baby. Woo! Bye. So it's just simple psychology, simple methodology, and it's a day 3 surge. Otherwise, let it die, okay? I don't know who decided to go. I'd like to know who decided to go public, right? Who's Grindr's bankers, man? I don't know why you wouldn't have waited, but anyway, just poor timing for a hotly anticipated IPO. Very poor timing, bankers. So anyway, have a great day, my friends. ARDX, definitely top of the list. ICU, if it gets there. FRGT, I don't mind. COSM. True penny stocks have been hot. So, I got to put my notes down. GRND, same IPO strategy as always. Basically a day 3 surge. All right, my friends, have a great day. ENSC is a chat pump. Thank you, breaking news. Woo! All right, 1 million floater. Yeah. All right. As always, buy in pre, sell in pre if you're aggressive. If things have been going well for you, he hasn't had much juice lately. Watch it. His juice. He ain't got no juice. Okay. Aggressive move, as always, is to buy in pre, sell in pre. Safest move, which most of you should do because you're new traders or your small accounts, 945 dip and rip. Again, almost always the same answer on a low float chat point. Safer play, 945 DNR. All right, my friends, have a great day. And we will see y'all next time. Whoa! I almost played some Morgan Wallen. I almost did it. Would have gotten a copyright strike. I got to play the lame royalty-free music. All right. Have a great day. Where is it? Ah, there it is.